make a foghorn. Take an empty bottle, drill a hole in the bottom, drill a hole in the side, cut a balloon in half, stretch it over the lid, wrap it tight with rubber bands. Put the tube in so it just barely touches the balloon, and blow on the side. Now let's make a bigger foghorn. We're going to use PVC. Use a Ziploc bag in the seal. Push the tube in until it barely touches the bag. Let's add more tube.